Hello all. In the last class we have discussed about communicable and non-communicable diseases. Now we are going to discuss about vectors. So what are these vectors? Vectors are some insects and animals which carry disease causing organisms. So these vectors are like vehicles for spreading the diseases. For example, housefly, cockroach. These are the insects and animals like dog, rat. They are going to carry disease causing microorganism inside their body. Once they come, suppose if I take mosquito. Mosquito carries disease causing microorganism inside its body. Once if the mosquito comes and bites the human being, then the microorganism which is present inside the mosquito will come and enter into the human body. So here we have an example, that is female Anopheles mosquito. So this female Anopheles mosquito is the vector to spread the malaria disease, because in the female Anopheles mosquito it carries a microorganism called as plasmodium. So plasmodium is a microorganism which this female Anopheles mosquito is going to carry and spreads malaria. If you see here, this is female Anopheles mosquito. Inside its body, the microorganism called plasmodium will be present. When female Anopheles mosquito comes to suck the blood from the human beings to absorb the blood, when it bites a human being, so it is going to enter this plasmodium into our body, which causes malaria. Then, what are the precautions we have to take to prevent mosquitoes? See, if we want to eradicate malaria from our country, then first what we have to target? We have to target on mosquitoes. If you prevent mosquitoes, if you kill the mosquitoes, then the plasmodium which is present in the mosquito will also be killed. So first we have to target mosquitoes. Then how to prevent these mosquitoes? First of all, you should know that mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. So mosquitoes' favorite place or favorable place for reproducing is the stagnant water. So, if you take care that no stagnant water is present, if we clean stagnant water near our surroundings, then 50% mosquitoes we can eradicate. And you should also see to it that there is you should not store any water in leftover flower pots or tires. If you see in our houses, we will be having some flower plots which we will be neglecting. We will just leave that outside without planting any plants. So what happens when it rains or due to any reason, the water will be stored in the pot, and that pot stored and that stagnant water will be present in the pot like that only, which leads to the breeding of mosquitoes. Same with the tires. In the tires also sometimes leftover water will be present, where it is very much favorable for the mosquitoes to breed. And at last, you can also use mosquito coils to kill mosquito. Nowadays we are using mosquito coils, mosquito bats, all outs, etc. to eradicate mosquitoes. So we have to, and one more thing, we have to see to it that our surroundings are clean and hygienic. You should not throw garbage around in your area. So by this also you can prevent the mosquitoes. So these and houseflies are also the vectors. So you have, if you keep your surroundings clean, then you can also stop houseflies and cockroaches. If you stop maximum these things, then most of the diseases will be controlled. So this is about in today's class. Next class we are going to discuss about next topic.